multiplication, table of 5.
Hey, Starry, wait! Where are you going? We have to count the yellow-colored beads left in the box. I have an idea. Let us count these beads in groups of 5 each. One group of 5 beads make a total of 5 beads. Here is a second group of beads, Starry. How many beads are there now? Yes, 2 groups of 5 beads make a total of 10 beads. What about 3 groups of 5 beads, Starry? 3 groups of 5 beads make a total of 15 beads. Let us now count 5 beads at a time. So, 4 groups of 5 beads make a total of 20 beads. 5 groups of 5 beads make a total of 25 beads. 6 groups of 5 beads make a total of 30 beads. 7 groups of 5 beads make a total of 35 beads. 8 groups of 5 beads make a total of 40 beads. 9 groups of 5 beads make a total of 45 beads. 10 groups of 5 beads make a total of 50 beads. Let us now observe the numbers in the last column. The numbers are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. In what stages do these numbers occur, Starry? Yes, in the stages of 5. Thus, if we start with 5 and write the first 10 numbers in stages of 5, we get the 5 times table. Here is the 5 times table for you, Starry. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Hey, Starry, let us do skip counting and repeat the table of 5. Here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Here is one interesting activity for you, Starry. Listen carefully. On the left-hand side are kept a set of cards. Some questions of 5 times table are written on them. Another set of cards is kept on the right-hand side. The correct answers of the 5 times table are written on them. We have to match and form pairs of correct cards. I will show you how. Let's consider the question 5 sixes are. The answer here is 30. So let's form a pair of these two cards. The next question is 5 threes are. What will be the answer? Yes, 15. What is 5 times 4, Starry? 5 times 4 is 20. The next question is, how much are 5 sevens? 5 sevens are 35. Here is the next card. The question is, 5 nines are. Which card should be paired with it, Starry? Yes, card with the answer 45. The last card left reads, 5 tens are. The number is 50.